Hi Celine, my girl, Zero girl. Yeah, Zero gorgeous girl. See Celine? Um, yeah. Yesterday I bought this pumpkin, this yellow pumpkin. I already cut it. Okay. So, one quarter I already cooked. Still got left for my lunch. I already eaten it for my dinner yesterday night and my breakfast this morning, and this left. See, I removed the seed. See, Celine, how many of the seed you think? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, maybe more than 100. So with with the grace, grace, okay, the blessing from the great I am, the sunlight, the air, the water, the soil, and the strength and the power and the hardworkingness that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plant this and taking care of this plant, and with one seed like this, gonna give us lot of pumpkin. Really. So how amazing is creation, isn't it? But it only can happen if a person, a human being, willing to work hard. So that is the key of success in life, Celine. Everything is about determination, hardworkingness, like what you have done. See, you have been a very good singer because you are very hardworking. And me, I'm very hardworking, and I can do many things. And now everything that I have, I want to give to you, Celine. My determination, my hardworkingness, every single thing I want to give to you. Okay, sayang. Bye. I love you so much, oh sayang. I miss you. I love